The last part of the physical properties we have is the refractive index. So what you're looking at now is the case to the refractometer. So the first thing that we need to do is look in the CRC for literature values. So our CRC, we want to go to page C351, C351, and we want to look for our substance, which is methanol. So the compound number is 9127, and we want to find the refractive index, and the refractive index is 1.3288, and you'll notice that the refractive index is also done at 20 degrees Celsius. So here we have the methanol, CH3OH, or we can use the abbreviation ME, which stands for methyl. The Aldrich value for the refractive index of methanol is done as well at 20 degrees Celsius, and it has a refractive index of 1.329. The CAS number for methanol is 67-56-1. So what we're going to do, let's move our reagents to the side. We want to take and open up the little suitcase, and we want to just slightly pull out the instrument. Just give it a little tug. And then we're going to move the case to the side. All right. So what you're seeing in front of you is the Abbey 5 refractometer. We'll be able to see numbers and stuff once we get everything together in terms of putting our sample on. Here we have the little eye that we can look through, the knobs, so that we can adjust what we're seeing in the inside. And let me put you guys close. You see the numbering at the bottom, and then you see the little crosshairs in the inside. And then we have this area that we can let our light in. And you notice once I open it up, it's no longer green, it's clear. And then we have the other area in which we would just turn the knob and open it, and this is where we would put our sample. So let's go ahead and clean the area. So I'm going to turn it so you guys can see. So I'm going to take my Chem wipe, and I'm going to wipe the inside where I have to put my sample. I'm going to take my pipette with its bulb, get my methanol, and I don't need a lot, just enough to cover the area. Put my methanol, close it down, and then now we need to adjust. So I know you guys can't really see on the inside, but in the lecture portion I'll show you guys what's going on. So I'll kind of move you up into the side so that you guys can see me. And I'll turn it so that you guys can see me do some of the adjustments. Okay, so I have it adjusted. I'm gonna try and bring you in to see if you guys can see the inside, but I doubt you can. So I'm gonna read off the value for methanol. Let's see, we got 1.323. 1.3235. 1.3235. And that concludes the refractive index. So I'll show you how you clean it off. So you just want to take your Chem wipe. We're going to close where your light comes in. We're going to open and we're going to wipe the inside with the Chem wipe. And that is how we use the refractometer.